Yeah, this is Don Goddard. I'll be presenting. Next slide. The Green Storage TWG accomplishments in the last year. One of the things we do is support EPA DCS unit shipment reports. We've been supporting that for quite a while. We're in the process now of doing the 2022 submission. The submissions for 2022 that go in for 2023. Collaborating with the Green Grid on EU Lot 9 regulatory updates, which are Lot 9 is a regulation that it will impact storage. It does impact storage now, and it will impact it more in the future. We've supported Lot 9 titanium power supply extension. There was a requirement for titanium power supplies to go into effect at January 1st. We got it extended to January 1st of 2024. Which was a good thing because supply chain issues were causing shortages of titanium power supplies across the industry. Ongoing industry support for the Emerald specification test tools and kits. Engaged with the EPA regarding some updated and revised future test methodologies. Some of the methodologies currently in Emerald are a little outdated. We're looking to update them. Released in July, the white paper 86 in conjunction with the Green Grid on energy efficient data center storage. We're hoping to use that as a guide for Lot 9 regulatory input in the future, and in addition to anywhere else people are looking to regulate storage. Released the October, the SNIA technical white paper on storage device level power efficiency measurement in conjunction with Eden Kim's group. We worked towards a revised test methodology for block level storage for the Emerald, for the next generation of Emerald, working with Eden on that one as well, and worked towards a new test methodology for storage devices in conjunction with the S3 TWG. Next slide. This is a roadmap of where we're headed. We've got EPA, we interact with the EPA, we have face-to-face meetings. We're looking to turn ISO Emerald 4 into an ISO standard towards the end of this year to get started on it. And we're working on a revised Emerald specification, which will have the VD bench replacement using the tool we're working with Eden Kim to develop. And storage device level power efficiency measurement in conjunction with Eden Kim, we're looking to develop a spec for that. Futures are listed there, things we might look at in the future. Some memory attached persistent storage methodologies, test methodologies for capacity optimization, energy measurements, collaboration with other servers. There's a lot of other stuff going on. And our partners, we work, of course, with Energy Star, with the Green Grid, which includes the 80+ organization, Digital Europe. Good grief, something just popped up there, blocking my view of the slides. Oh, there it is. And the spec storage power, and some Japanese organizations. Next slide. These are the active members as of January 18th of this year. These are the active storage membership list. These are the various companies involved in the Green Storage TWG at this time. Next slide. Green storage participation. What is the expected industry impact of this work? One, architecturally unbiased test methodology to serve regulatory bodies worldwide. Proactively provide a single test methodology, industry knowledge of storage systems. It's basically our industry segment is storage system manufacturers, storage device manufacturers, ECIM software vendors. Why should you participate? Well, participating in developing the standards that are going to be used worldwide. And the big thing that's coming up in the next couple of years is the EU Lot 9 is a mandatory requirement for shipping storage systems into Europe. It currently has some restrictions on power supply efficiency and a couple of other items. It is looking to add an efficiency test methodology, which will most likely be based on Emerald. So if you're interested in what you're going to have to do to ship stuff into Europe in 2025 or 2026, you probably ought to join the TWG to find out what's going on in Emerald and what Emerald is going to be trying to get the Europeans to do. And of course, we'll continue to refresh and renew best practices with white papers and planning tools, and create competitive advantage in product sustainability. But again, the big thing is, if you're going to be shipping into Europe, you might want to get interested in what's going on here, because it's going to have an impact on you. Who to contact? The contact is now me. Herb Tanzer's no longer the co-chairman. He ceased to be co-chairman, I guess, this week, and I became the chairman. We're looking for a new co-chairman to work with me. But for now, if you need any more information on the TWG, contact me.